Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Cagr formula in Excel. So let's get into the video. Here we can calculate Cagr by using RRI function. So Cagr means actually compound annual growth rate. We'll calculate that. So let's put a formula here of RRI. Let's write RRI, open parenthesis, and here we have to select the NPR, which is actually the number of years of our values of our project, which is 5 years. Okay, and then put a comma. We have to select the present value, which is the initial value of our investment of B2, and put a comma. And the future value is the last year's value, or the value we want to have from our project. And then close the parenthesis and click on enter. As you can see, it's in the decimal number. We have to make it in percentage from this number option and click on percentage style and make it to percentage. Yep. So yep, this is how you can calculate Cagr. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.